To insert a plan inside a project, click Insert Plan on the Plans tab. In the Open window, select one or more files that you want to import. Click Open to confirm your selection. Once the plan is inserted, it can be seen in the Plan List pane. To rotate the plan, select the plan you want to rotate in the Plan List pane by clicking on its name. Choose a rotation option in the Alignment group. To scale the plan, click Scale in the Scaling group. Choose a line on the plan you know the length of. Click the mouse button at the first point of the line. Click the mouse button at the last point of the line. Enter the length of the line in the Scale Plans window and click Scale to scale the current selection. If calculating a large project that is spread over a number of plans, MudShark allows you to stitch your plans together. Click on the name of the plan you want to move in the Plan List pane. Click Move in the Alignment group on the Plans tab. Click on the reference point of the plan you want to move, then click where you want to move that reference point to. Zoom in to make any minor adjustments. MudShark allows you to work with multiple different file formats in one project. An example of this might be if your existing site plan is a PDF file and your proposed site plan is a CAD file. Overlay your existing and proposed site plans to ensure your takeoff and subsequent cut and fill calculations are correct. MudShark is the faster and smarter way for achieving more accurate results.